Have you ever looked at a place and thought, there's no way this is real? It has to be from another planet. Now imagine that feeling, deep underground. Hidden beneath our feet are worlds so breathtaking, so bizarre, and so alien-looking that they seem pulled straight from the mind of a sci-fi director. In this video, we'll take you inside some of the most surreal and unreal caves on Earth, from glowing ceilings that resemble galaxies, to colossal underground jungles, to marble cathedrals sculpted by water over thousands of years. This is unreal caves that look like alien worlds. Let's start with the largest cave in the world, and quite possibly the most otherworldly, Hang Son Doong in Vietnam. Discovered only recently in 2009, Son Doong is located in Phong Nha Ke Bang National Park, and it's so massive it has its own weather system, river, and even a jungle growing inside. Some of the caverns are large enough to fit a Boeing 747, and yet everything feels still, silent, and ancient. At certain openings called dolines, sunlight pours into the cave, allowing trees and plant life to grow. This means you can literally trek through a rainforest underground. With clouds forming near the ceiling, the air thick with mist, and rays of light illuminating moss-covered walls, Son Doong doesn't just look alien, it feels like an undiscovered planet. Now imagine looking up at the ceiling of a cave and seeing a galaxy of stars above you. That's exactly what it feels like in the Waitomo glowworm caves in New Zealand. The stars, of course, aren't stars. They're Arachnocampa luminosa, a species of bioluminescent glowworms found only in New Zealand. These tiny creatures emit a natural blue-green light as they hang from the cave ceiling in thousands, turning the dark cavern into a surreal, glowing dream. Visitors float silently through the cave on small boats, drifting under this living starlight surrounded by silence and wonder. This place isn't just a cave. It's a portal to a different world, ruled by light, water, and silence. In the heart of Patagonia, on General Carrera Lake, lies one of Earth's most mesmerizing cave formations, the Marble Caves, or Cuevas de Mármol. These caves weren't carved by human hands, but by thousands of years of waves gently lapping against the calcium carbonate stone, polishing and shaping it into cathedrals of swirling color. When the light hits just right, the reflections of the blue lake water mix with the gray and white marble walls to create patterns that look like liquid clouds or melting ice. You can kayak into these formations, drifting through twisting corridors that shimmer and shift as though the cave itself is breathing. It's not just beautiful, it's unreal. If you've ever wanted to step inside a world made entirely of ice, Eisriesenwelt in Austria is your destination. The name means World of the Ice Giants, and it's the largest ice cave on Earth, stretching over 42 kilometers into the Alps. Once inside, you're surrounded by frozen waterfalls, massive icicles, and icy chambers that glow with a bluish hue. Even in the peak of summer, temperatures inside remain well below freezing. With torches or low lighting casting shadows across jagged frozen sculptures, it truly feels like you're exploring the fortress of an ancient ice civilization. For something that truly feels like alien architecture, head to Reed Flute Cave in Guilin, China. This limestone cave system is filled with towering stalagmites and stalactites, crystal-clear pools, and flowstone walls. But what makes it feel otherworldly are the colorful lights that illuminate the formations, reds, blues, purples, and greens, transforming the cave into a surreal underground fantasy realm. It feels like you're inside the palace of an alien emperor. How about descending inside a volcano? safely. In Iceland, the dormant Thrihnukagigur volcano offers one of the most unique cave experiences in the world. You take a lift 120 meters down into the volcano's magma chamber. Instead of collapsing like most magma chambers, this one remained hollow. That means you're walking through a place that, in most other volcanoes, doesn't exist. The walls are colored in brilliant reds, oranges, purples, and yellows, stained by minerals from past eruptions. It looks like the inside of an alien spaceship. Deep below the surface of Mexico lies a place that seems almost impossible, Cueva de los Cristales, or the Cave of Crystals. Inside are massive selenite crystals, some of the largest ever found, up to 12 meters long and 55 tons in weight. Formed under extreme heat and humidity, the environment is deadly, over 50 degrees Celsius and nearly 100% humidity. But the sight? Unforgettable. It's like stepping into Superman's fortress of solitude, only hotter. Just outside Kuala Lumpur, the Batu caves blend geology and spirituality in epic proportions. Huge limestone caverns house Hindu temples, illuminated by beams of light pouring through natural skylights. The atmosphere is sacred, cinematic, and strangely alien, a place where monkeys, incense smoke, and ancient echoes share the same breath. In the heart of Borneo, the Mulu caves stretch far beneath the jungle. They contain the largest cave chamber on Earth and millions of bats that emerge each evening like a living storm. This is a place untouched by time, by light, by noise. Just stone, life, and silence. Honorable mentions: Benegal Sea Cave, Portugal, known for its iconic skylight. Apostle Island Ice Caves, USA, frozen cathedrals by the lake. Blue Grotto, Italy, where the water glows from below. From glowing galaxies of worms in New Zealand, to marble palaces floating on Patagonian lakes, to crystal giants sleeping beneath Mexico. These caves are more than geological features. They're windows into alien worlds here on Earth. They remind us that the most unbelievable places don't require a spaceship, just a sense of curiosity, courage, and a flashlight. If this video transported you somewhere magical, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More hidden wonders of the Earth are waiting, and we can't wait to show them to you.